Why do some women over 50 look expensive in jeans, while others look stuck in the past? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make your jeans look elegant this winter 2026. From the right cuts and washes to small styling upgrades that instantly elevate denim. Stay until the end because I'll also show you how to make jeans work for your body shape after 50 without chasing trends. Let's get into it. Now, I'll show you how to choose the right jeans, style them for winter, and instantly look more polished at any age. Starting off with the winter jean rule, here is the honest truth. Jeans only look elegant in winter when they act as the base of your outfit, not the loudest part. This becomes even more important for women over 50, when simplicity and balance naturally work in your favor more than chasing trends. Elegant winter denim is quiet, polished, and intentional. It does not compete for attention. Instead, it supports the rest of your look and allows your outfit to feel thoughtfully put together. During the colder months, your jeans should blend effortlessly with elevated pieces like wool coats, structured boots, and quality knits. When denim is clean and understated, everything layered on top instantly feels more expensive and sophisticated. The coat appears sharper, the boots look intentional, and even a simple sweater seems elevated. This is why women who always appear put together rarely rely on statement jeans. They focus on creating a cohesive look where each piece works together, letting the styling carry the elegance naturally. Once you understand this principle, picking the right cuts, washes, and styling upgrades becomes much easier, and the rest of your winter wardrobe falls into place seamlessly. Understanding this rule also takes a lot of the pressure off when getting dressed in the morning. You no longer have to rely on your jeans to be the statement piece or try to force them to look fashionable on their own. Instead, you are using them as a polished, reliable base that works with your body, your lifestyle, and your winter wardrobe. This approach allows every layer, every accessory, and every piece you choose to feel intentional and harmonious. That mindset shift is exactly what makes the rest of your outfits feel effortless, elegant, and age-appropriate. It is not about following trends. It is about creating a wardrobe that supports you and highlights your best features naturally. This winter, refined denim is all about clean, purposeful lines. After 50, the focus is no longer on hiding your body or trying to chase trends. It is about selecting cuts that support your shape, move with ease, and create a flattering silhouette. Straight leg jeans remain the most reliable and elegant option for winter 2026. They skim the leg without clinging, producing a smooth line from hip to ankle. This cut works beautifully with flats, ankle boots, or block heels, making it versatile and practical for everyday winter styling. Once you have a strong straight leg foundation, you can add variety to your wardrobe without sacrificing refinement or polish. Subtle bootcut jeans are another excellent choice, particularly for women who regularly wear boots. The gentle flare at the hem balances the hips and elongates the leg line, creating a streamlined and sophisticated look. This style is especially flattering for women over 50 who want a little extra balance without committing to a full wide leg. The flare should be subtle, as anything too dramatic can quickly read as trendy rather than timeless. For women who enjoy a more contemporary or fashion-forward approach, bootcut jeans provide a tasteful option without overwhelming the outfit. Wide-leg jeans can also look elegant for women over 50, but structure is essential. Choose denim that holds its shape and sits cleanly at the waist. A tailored waistline ensures the jeans look intentional, prevents the slouchy, oversized effect that can add bulk under winter layers, and keeps the silhouette refined. Avoid extremely soft, baggy, or flowing styles, as they often collapse under coats and knitwear, making the overall outfit look heavy or dated. With the right cut in place, the next critical detail is the wash, which can truly make or break the elegance of your denim. When it comes to winter denim, darker washes always look more refined and polished. Shades like deep indigo, inky navy, charcoal, and true black are timeless and flattering, especially for women over 50. These colours naturally look sharper and more intentional, which makes styling them for winter much easier. Dark denim pairs beautifully with wool coats, leather boots, and soft cashmere or merino knits, creating an outfit that feels put together without much effort. When the colour is right, even the simplest pieces feel elevated, and your jeans become the perfect base for a sophisticated winter look. Lighter denim washes, on the other hand, tend to feel casual and relaxed. They work well in summer but rarely translate to the refined atmosphere of winter. Dark washes have the advantage of holding their shape visually and creating a longer, leaner line through the leg. This effect is especially helpful when layering heavier fabrics like coats, scarves, and chunky sweaters, because the dark denim grounds the outfit and keeps the proportions balanced. With the right wash chosen and minimal detailing in place, elevating your jeans becomes much easier. Pairing them with structured pieces and refined layers lets them shine as part of a winter wardrobe that feels elegant and cohesive. This is where denim truly begins to look elegant. The way you style your jeans matters just as much, if not more, than the jeans themselves. A structured wool coat can instantly elevate any denim outfit and give it a polished, sophisticated edge. Coats with clean lines, defined shoulders, or a subtle shape through the waist add elegance without effort. Long-line coats are especially flattering for women over 50 because they create length through the body and make the entire outfit feel intentional and cohesive. Once the outer layer is polished, the pieces underneath should feel just as refined to maintain balance and elegance throughout the outfit. Cashmere and fine merino knits are some of the most worthwhile investments for winter denim. These fabrics drape beautifully, providing softness and luxury without ever looking sloppy or overdone. A simple knit with a light front tuck or a clean straight hem keeps the look relaxed while remaining put together. Oversized sweaters can work, but only when the rest of the outfit is structured. Too much slouch from top to bottom can easily throw off proportions and make the overall look feel unbalanced, especially with layers typical of winter. Footwear serves as the final anchor that pulls the outfit together. Structured boots are essential for making jeans feel polished and sophisticated in the colder months. Leather ankle boots, knee-high boots, or sleek block heels add weight, refinement, and stability to denim outfits. These styles ground the look and make it feel grown-up and intentional. Soft, floppy boots, in contrast, often collapse around the ankle or calf, which can make even high-quality denim appear casual or sloppy and detract from the overall clean lines you are trying to achieve. With the main pieces in place, the next step is to focus on the small styling details that make the biggest difference and transform everyday denim into an elegant winter staple. Styling details are often what separate casual denim from elegant denim, especially for women over 50. These upgrades are simple and easy to implement, but they instantly change how your outfit is perceived and how put together you feel. Paying attention to these small touches elevates denim from everyday casual to polished and sophisticated. Belts are one of the most overlooked details in winter styling. They matter far more than many women realize. A classic leather belt in black, brown, or taupe adds structure and polish to your jeans, framing the waist and giving the outfit a finished, intentional look. Simple, clean buckles work best, while overly decorative or flashy designs can pull attention in the wrong direction and make even a refined outfit feel dated. Once the waist is clearly defined, the next step in refining your look is choosing the right colors. Monochrome dressing is a quiet but powerful styling tool. Wearing similar tones from head to toe makes jeans feel purposeful and coordinated rather than casual. Black paired with black, cream paired with beige, or grey paired with charcoal creates a long, continuous line that elongates the body and keeps proportions elegant. This technique is especially useful in winter, when heavier layers like coats, knits, and scarves can easily feel bulky or overwhelming. With styling details in place, the next and most important focus is fit. This is where many women over 50 start to lose confidence in jeans. Choosing the right fit ensures comfort, balance, and a polished silhouette that works with your body and your winter wardrobe. Finding the right fit becomes even more important after 50. The goal is comfort, support, and confidence without feeling restricted. The right jeans should work with your body as it is now, not how it used to be. Let's start with the midsection, since this is a common concern for many women. If you carry weight through the middle, high-rise straight-leg jeans tend to be the most forgiving and supportive. They smooth the waist without digging in and create a clean line through the hips and thighs. A bit of stretch is helpful for comfort, but too much stretch can cause sagging and loss of shape. Structure is what keeps jeans looking elegant throughout the day. Balance is the next thing to consider. For pear-shaped bodies, bootcut or subtle flare jeans help balance the hips and thighs beautifully. The gentle flare at the hem draws the eye downward and creates a more even silhouette. Dark washes are especially flattering here because they visually streamline the lower body and keep the look polished. Proportion plays a big role for petite women. If you are petite, cropped straight leg jeans that hit just above the ankle tend to look the most refined, especially with winter boots. This length prevents excess fabric from bunching and keeps the outfit looking intentional. Avoid heavy stacking or extra long hems, as they can overwhelm a smaller frame. Comfort and balance matter most for fuller thighs. For fuller thighs, wide leg jeans with a tailored waist offer ease without clinging. The fabric drapes away from the body while the waist stays defined, which creates balance and polish. Pair these jeans with structured tops or jackets to maintain a refined shape. All of this leads to one simple principle. Your jeans should support your body, not fight it. When the fit feels right, everything else in your outfit falls into place more naturally. Elegant denim is never about age or chasing the latest trends. It is about intention, consistency, and knowing what works for your body and your lifestyle. When you choose clean cuts, refined fabrics, and thoughtfully styled pieces, jeans naturally look polished, timeless, and age-appropriate at any stage of life. After 50, adopting this mindset becomes even more powerful because it removes the pressure to dress younger and replaces it with the confidence of dressing well, dressing for your shape, and dressing for your life. Once you shift how you think about denim, getting dressed each morning becomes simpler, more enjoyable, and less stressful. Focusing on the right wash, a supportive fit, and pairing jeans with elevated winter pieces completely changes how they feel. Jeans stop being casual, limiting, or uncomfortable. They become a reliable foundation you can build on repeatedly, season after season. A well-chosen pair works seamlessly with your lifestyle, your wardrobe, and your body without constant effort or adjustments. This is the moment when confidence quietly shows itself. You move differently, you stand differently, and your outfits automatically feel more polished and intentional. So now, do you think your jeans actually work for you? A few smart choices can completely change how confident you feel in jeans, season after season. And if this video helps you in fashion, you will definitely love this next one.